Okay, we are back with what all I forgot I bought on the Highway 127 garage sale. We're going through each bag that was in the back of my car until I look at all of it and get it ready to list. We're on bag 8 out of 9, so we're getting there. Let's see what's in this bag. Oh, I bought this for my granddaughter. It's a Hello Kitty Christmas sweater. What have we got? This is a linen blend women's jacket. This is a women's sweater with the leather lace-up detail around the neckline. This is a sequined skirt. Very New Year's Eve-y. That's a rainbow in the dress, isn't it? Let's see if I can get her figured out here. This women's dress. It's a purple suede skirt. Women's tapestry jacket with the flowers. What is that? Oh yeah. Sweet little evening clutch purse. Feels like super cute. I forgot all about that. Women's Christmas sweater with the snowman embroidery on the pockets. Men's grandpa sweater. We had one of these in the last bag. Bought 2 of them at that sale. Corduroy chore coat, barn coat. I know you're going to be shocked, but it's another Christmas sweater. Look at that with the stockings. So cute. There's another Southwestern print sweater. Another men's sweater. Women's pea coat. Women's tweed blazer. There's a shoe. Is there another shoe? These are Kuru shoes. Oh, and everything else is in a bag. Like I said, I've always worried me. Alright, what we got? Oh, Ralph Lauren men's button up. I think these were all Ralph Lauren. Yeah, Ralph Lauren men's plaid button up. And another Ralph Lauren men's checked button up. And one more. Ralph Lauren men's plaid shirt. And that is it for bag 8. That means we have one more bag and we'll have the car empty of the things from the Highway 127. Not quite empty for the 2 estate sales that I went to this weekend. But that doesn't matter. One more bag tomorrow and I'll see you then.